Hello teachers, as we know that the schools are going to reopen from 1st of July, and it is much possible that we have to teach on the online pattern as we have taught during the lockdown period, because whether the schools will be opened for the students or not, it is not clear so far. It is clear. So how will you teach in the online mode and effectively? So there are various methods of teaching through the online mode. Today I am going to demonstrate one method through Zoom or through Google Meet. This method we can use, this way of teaching we can use in for the higher classes in which serious studies are required. Higher classes, you can say that class 10th, 11th and 12th, or you may include class 9th also. Class 9 to class 12. In these classes, you have to teach the students at least 30-40 minutes so that they may be able to understand the concept. In these classes, 10 to 15-minute video will not solve any purpose, because we have to complete. If you have taken some topic, then you have to complete that topic on the same lecture, in the same lecture. If you are not completing, then it will not be waste. Students will not be able to understand. So what things will be required for teaching through this way? So one is the smartphone, then selfie stick to hold the phone. Today I will show you in the video that how will you arrange the phone in the selfie stick. Then earphone with microphone, and that is Bluetooth earphone, so that there is no wired connection between your camera phone and your earphone. You can move freely in front of the board. Then internet connectivity, it is very much obvious. Then this is not required. This is a type of precaution. During teaching or during making video, you keep your phone in the aeroplane mode so that no call comes in your phone. And then this is also required. There should be at least 8 to 10 GB memory space in your phone. Otherwise, what will happen? Your phone will misbehave. It will not properly function. It will start hanging. It's clear? हैंगिंग मतलब क्या है? आप तो पढ़ा रहे हैं पर उस तरफ फोन रुका हुआ है, फोन रुक गया है. This is possible when the memory is less. It's clear. So these things will be required. Now, so what is the advantage of earphone with microphone? Because when you are teaching with the Zoom, this one with the Zoom, then what will happen? Sometimes students may speak. For example, in the side of a student, there is no proper display of the board. Our board is blurred. Though you cannot do anything in that, that is the connectivity problem of the student. From your side, transmission is good. But if in the student side transmission connectivity is not proper, then what will happen? He will not be able to receive the proper display. It's clear? So that thing you cannot receive, but if any confusion to a student and he want to ask some question, then he can switch on the audio, turn on the audio and can ask. But while you are teaching with the Zoom or Google Meet, you ask to students to keep your video and audio turn off, in the turn off state, and they will turn on the audio only when there is some confusion. So when they will say something, immediately it will be heard to you. It's clear? And one more important thing, हमको लगता है कि MB कौन ले ज़्यादा पिक्चर ज़्यादा कैप्चर करती है, ऑडियो. सो ऑडियो का ट्रांसमिशन स्लो होता है. ऑडियो है वो स्लोली पास होता है. वीडियो जो उसको क्या कहते हैं, डिस्प्ले मीन्स that I don't know the correct word, जो पिक्चर है वो तो तुरंत ट्रांसमिट हो जाएगी. पिक्चर विजुअल, यस, दैट टर्म इज विजुअल. विजुअल विल बी ट्रांसमिटेड इमीडिएटली, बट द ऑडियो इट ट्रांसमिट स्लोली. इसलिए हमको जब पढ़ाना है तब हमको क्या है, स्लोली बोलना है. ये नहीं कि हम बहुत ही स्पीडली बोलते गए. हमारे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है कि हम बहुत स्पीडली बोलते गए, दूसरे साइड में कुछ सुना ही नहीं दिया. अभी हम लोग इस जूम से कैसे पढ़ाया जाए इसकी टेस्टिंग कर रहे थे अमंग द जेंट्स टीचर, और उस पढ़ाने के समय में क्या डिफिकल्टीज होंगी, उनका क्या सल्यूशन होगा. सो in that testing Mr. Ashish was there, Mr. Vinay and Mr. Ajay was also there. So we were doing this so that I have noticed that when we are speaking very quickly in a speed, क्या होता है, ऑडियो क्या हो जाता है, उस तरीके से वहां पहुंच ही नहीं रहा. इसलिए क्या है, हमको थोड़ा ग्रेजुअली बोलना, धीरे धीरे बोलना. धीरे धीरे का मतलब ये नहीं कि कम आवाज में, यहां पर आपको तेज आवाज में बोलना पड़ेगा. इट्स क्लियर. सो उससे हम ये बच सकते हैं इफ वी यूज द ईयरफोन, माइक्रोफोन. इट्स क्लियर. सो इफ यू आर योर दैट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ योर साउंड इज लो, इवन देन स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू हियर. सो दीज थिंग्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ विल यू सेट अप this thing. Now see here. Now you can see here how will you set up the selfie stick and your camera. So this has been set here, set up. You can see here I am showing, going to closer to the this. So you can see here this selfie stick, it is tied with the help of some threads or with the help of some wire to this stool. It's clear. Then over this part over that you can say, उसको क्या कहेंगे, ऊपर जो रेड वाला है वो हमको मालूम नहीं है क्या है, उसको करते. So in that we will fix the clamp. In that clamp I will fix the phone. Now you can see here you have to adjust the distance of camera from the board, and you will adjust the distance of camera from the board in such a way. Here you can see you will adjust the distance of camera from the board in such a way that the whole board comes within the screen of the phone. पूरा बोर्ड क्या है, फोन की स्क्रीन में आना चाहिए. ये आपको दिखाई दे रहा होगा यहाँ पर तो कुछ पार्ट छूटा भी हुआ है, बोर्ड के चारों ओर का कुछ पार्ट छूटा भी हुआ है, तो हम इसको और पास ले जा सकते थे. अभी हम ले नहीं गए हैं, हमने प्रॉपरली वैसे नहीं किया है, बट इसको हम और पास ले जा सकते थे. सो दैट द ऑन होल स्क्रीन ऑफ द कैमरा देयर इज द बोर्ड. इट इज क्लियर. दिस वे वी कैन एडजस्ट. इट्स क्लियर. Then after adjusting it, what will you do? Here you can see here, after adjusting it, we will come in front of the. Now there is one more way of teaching with the online mode, that is with the help of the videos. You make short videos of 10 to 12 minutes, and then you send it with the help of the WhatsApp. It's clear? Because when you are making the video on the board, then this much board is covered, you are also standing in front of it. What will happen? A very large amount of data per minute will be consumed, and that video will not be able to send through WhatsApp, because WhatsApp allows the videos of only 17 minutes. You can use Telegram. With the help of Telegram, we can send a video of longer duration, but with the help of WhatsApp, we can send only videos of 17 MB. 17 MB, that 17 MB you can complete in 2 minutes, that 17 MB you can complete in 12 minutes also. This depends upon that how much is the focused area. If the focused area is more, then what will happen? More MB will be consumed. If the focused area is very small, what will happen? MB consumed will be less and the video will become longer. That 17 MB video will become longer. So for this, what will you do? You will fix your camera in this way. Here I have fixed here. दिस इज एक ये क्या है, बिडिंग है जो हम वहाँ से एक जो ये दुकान होती है जहाँ प्लाई मिलती है वहाँ से हमने ले लिया था, उसमें इसको फिक्स कर दिया है with the help of the thread or with the help of wire. Then what will you do? You place it here. You can see here. You can place it here. Here you switch on the camera. Here I am switching on the camera. And now you adjust your video. Adjust your notebook here. Your notebook is kept here. Only this much notebook is focused, and when this much notebook is focused, so what will happen? If focused area is less, therefore less MB will be consumed and video will become longer. That 17 MB video will become longer. It's clear? So in this notebook you can explain, suppose if you are teaching to LKG or UKG students how to write ABCD, so you take a 4 rule नोटबुक, एक जो 4 इंग्लिश वाली नोटबुक होती है वो ले और उसमें हम लिख के कैसे बताएं, आए समझे? या क्या है, हमको लोअर क्लासेज में एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन है, उसको इसमें हम प्रॉपरली एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. हम इसके लिए स्केच पेन की हेल्प ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब स्केच पेन से लिखेंगे तो वो ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखाई देगा. इट्स क्लियर? सो दिस वे यू कैन टीच. सो देर आर many subjects in the lower classes means even up to class 8, which we can teach very effectively with the help of this. For example, when you are trying to explain something on the map, because it is not possible to make the map here and then to explain, so you take the map, India map या Asia map जो भी है, take the map and in that map you can explain very effectively and then you send that video. It's clear? If suppose the topic is longer, you make 2-3 videos. हम क्या है 10-10 मिनट के 3 वीडियो बना लें, उनको व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू भेज दें. So this way we can teach to the students. So here this is one more way. There are some other ways also, but here main are these two. It's clear? So thank you. Here you can see here. Yes. Suppose you are teaching some English, how to write the letter, or you are explaining some lesson in the English reader book. It's clear? Or you are explaining to students how to write ABC. So जब आप ये ABC हम पढ़ा रहे हैं या कुछ भी, तो हमको वही इंग्लिश वाली कॉपी यूज करनी है. ये नहीं कि हम एक सिंपल कॉपी यूज करें. While we are teaching English in the lower classes, for example LKG, UKG, in these classes, how to write ABCD. So what will you do? You will use those copies which are used in the for the English purpose. It's clear? Or you draw the lines and then you do. So that way you can do. Or if you are teaching the mathematics, suppose I am explaining addition. So what will you do? Here I have written 4. $100. how will you add? So dear students, how will you add this? So see here it is written, first number is 4372 and the second number is 5925. It's clear. It is written in this way. You can see here unit digit, tens digit, hundreds digit and thousands digit. You start adding from the unit digit. So 5 plus 2, what will be? It will be 7. 7 plus 2, it will be 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Since it is 12, so in 12, what is the unit digit? Unit digit is 2. So only unit digit will be written. What will happen to the 1? 1 will carry, you will carry in the thousands place. Then here you add 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. It's clear. So this way I have explained how will you do the addition of two numbers. So this was for students. You can explain much better because I don't have habit to teach in the lower classes. It's clear. For teaching in the lower classes, a different type of art is required and we lack in that art. So उस तरीके की तकनीक हम लोगों को नहीं मालूम है कि लोअर क्लास में बच्चों को कैसे पढ़ाया जाए. So but you can make it more better. It's clear by your own experience. So thank you.